We knew structurally what we wanted. We explained to them what we had wanted in this bathroom, and they made it happen. They did have an option B, which was a nice option. It would have worked just fine, but they really went out of their way to make sure that option A was working. The designer would come in, Shayna would come in, and Jay, the project manager, would be here and back and forth, and she'd come here to check out. Bruce, the owner, would come in and check in. I was amazed when they were doing the tiling. He picked out a tile that I would have never have noticed. It was a little bit off, and I would not have noticed that. They do a really good job, and the price to me is right. And they are communicative. They work with you to get it done.